You're probably wondering why I am wearing a pink shirt with some pins on it today. Well, today is Anti-Bullying Day. By the time I get this video done, it'll probably be the next day. But today is Anti-Bullying Day, and I support anti-bullying in schools everywhere. They wear pink shirts everywhere to work. Everywhere you can, wear your pink shirt to support the anti-bullying, whether it be in person or online. It is wrong. Do not bully. People get bullied even here on YouTube, and it's wrong. Totally wrong. We have been bullied and harassed and all that before as well. That has been dealt with. So that being said, support your friends, support your family, and wear pink today for anti-bullying, because bullying is wrong. Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends, how you doing today? Well, today I am here with Sleeping Beauty's Fairytale Castle set 41152. Now, this is a cool set. I like it simply because it's very slick, and you change the parts in it and make it a bigger castle, make it a smaller castle, move them around, do whatever you want to with it. So the playability definitely has a huge impact on this set. Also, we'll get into the details in 1 second. It comes with a cute little tree and a basket and a rabbit. So that tree is really cool. Nice to always have a tree with a castle next to it. And of course, Maleficent comes with her own little setup here, and her like throne, if you want to call it that, and her stone or krypton or whatever you want to call it. And she's got a nice cape, fashionable cape, of course, and it befits her. And of course, these are like the Friends mini dolls series, so they use them in all the Disney Princess line, so that's okay. I kind of like them actually better than the minifigures because they have a little bit of detail to them. And so you know, this has had like a rubber topped head, so people that have allergies, you gotta be careful of that. Now they have a purple cone here that's got the silver specks through it. That's really cool. I like that. Once again, there's some stickers on here. There's stickers everywhere on this set, so you know, it's one of those things. That's really cool. It's got the silver chalice as well on it, right there. So that's kind of neat. So that's that. Now the castle itself is really cool because the fact is, like I said, you can build it modularly with other parts of other castles, or whatever which way you want to take it apart and rebuild it, or whatever suits your fancy. So let's just start at the bottom layer. So the bottom layer is pretty much, you know, basic type of thing, and we'll turn it around and you have like a brush and like a bottle of perfume and like her bow. Here we have like a cake, and it looks like maybe a chocolate fountain. I don't know, I'm going to say it's a chocolate fountain, but it looks pretty cool. So it's just like, you know, it's pretty neat, and a mirror right there. And of course these come off because they're just kind of just stuck there with these little plates, and you can take them off and move them around as well, so that's neat. Now it has pink sides, which is cool, pink and gray, and of course the gray sides have stickers on them. Yeah, stickers on them. Oh well, that's pretty neat. So that's pretty much the basics of that part of the bottom of the castle. Now we move into the bedroom part. The bedroom has like a sort of window balcony thing, and then has the balcony up top. Now the bed is really cool. It has some stickers and that in there, and it also has this Once Upon a Time storybook hidden under her bed that you just pull out like such, so she can lay down there. It's like a king size bed. And up here we have Sleeping Beauty, of course, which I'll get to in a minute because this one disturbs me. And we have the Blue Fairy, and does anyone know what her name is? I'll give you a second and I'll come back to it. Comment down below. I know her name. I want to see if you guys do. And yeah, like sort of like the little pillar cones type of thing, and some roses along the edge. So that's pretty cool. So that sort of makes up her bedroom type of thing. So that's neat. So we'll put that like right where we want to put it. Left, right. Let's put it on that side. It's there. It's there. Now the top turret part of the castle, once again, is pretty neat. It's once again stickers, 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 everywhere stickers. Sounds like a song, but anyway, comes with like a half cone on the top because it's only a half cone. Now in previous castles they used the lighter blue, like the base plate here, they used the lighter blue on these cones. So this will kind of throw it off from the earlier versions, oops, of the castles, but you can still use them, I suppose. But I mean, it wouldn't really hurt. So anyway, inside the window we have the magic wand, and we also have the spinning wheel where she pricks her finger on the spinning wheel. So, and the little thing where she pricks her finger on. Ouch. So, and the dress. Now, here it's got a sticker of a blue dress turning into a pink dress. I don't know. In the movie, she wore a blue dress when she was, you know, going out as the princess type of thing. She was in a blue dress. They have her here in a pink dress. My question to Lego is why? Why is she in a pink dress when it should be blue? I don't understand that. There's been a lot of controversy over this, why they changed that. Maybe someone has an answer. I don't know. Maybe this is like before she turned into the princess. I don't know. But I don't think she had a pink one on before. And this is pretty much, looks like, well, it looks like a dress. So if they were going to do that, they should have left her blue. Just my opinion. But anyway, even on the box, they have her as pink. So maybe that's like, you know, they got her in pink here, and then they got the minifigure there as pink. But on the back of the box, when she is the princess, they got her in blue, which is the correct color. So why is pink? Why is she in pink? Is it before she turns into the blue? Before she was the princess type of thing? I don't know. I can't figure that out. Why didn't they have like two dresses for this? This is not a before and after. Is this just before? Or is it just wrong? Let me know. I don't know. Anyway, we'll go with that. I think it's wrong. I think it should be blue. So we'll probably swap it out into another minifig doll when we get one type of thing. So we'll put this turret back on, and now the magic wand wants to keep falling off, of course. Okay, so that's about it for me today on this video right here on the Sleeping Beauty's Fairytale Castle. And I will talk to you again shortly in another video. Talk to you soon. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.